So today my first project is making a Harry Potter cane. I've never made one before, so I didn't actually videotape the beginning where I was building the blocks, also for Hedwig too, but I did kind of take some video of working on making the cane, kind of working it out a little bit, and the end process. So stay with me, hit that subscribe button for me if you will, and I'll see you soon. Okay, so I have just baked these, and I baked them a little bit lower than normal. I just baked them at 200, but most of these are like the end pieces. Like this is my waist, and as you get farther down to the end of the cane, they get a little bit more derpy, and like the edges folded in, and didn't really work out too well. So this is my scrap from the whole thing. And then I have these, but these I saved because the faces are, you can tell what they are, but pretty much just have to take a Sharpie and put in the eyeglasses and the eyes on those. So I'll probably use those in something just for myself. So I went ahead and saved those slices. But most of these are kind of the same way, as you can see. Maybe. There. So you can see, like, that little thing is, you know, like the center of the eye. But, so the glasses didn't fill in because, you know, I had other stuff. So you got like half of his glasses on this side, and you know, I could just take a Sharpie and put in the other half on that, and then I can use most of these pieces are like the end pieces of my canes that I wasn't super happy with. Come on, focus, you can do it. There it is. So a lot of them that are like that. So most of those are, you know, here's some of my bigger ones. That you can see. It's kind of strange that you can see his scar in this so well, but like his eyes disappeared. I think they're like over here or something. Anyway, but then you get to, you know, the ones that turned out pretty well. These are still from the ends, so I went ahead and cut a few of these. I think these turned out really cute. He's just kind of like a derpy little Harry Potter. So I just went ahead and poked a hole in these just to have a few that were already made into beads, and I can sand the edges and stuff, but super cute. So I'm really happy with my first attempt at making a polymer clay cane. See how these turned out. I'm hoping that they turned out pretty good. These are the ends that weren't going to make anything cool, so I just kind of twisted them and thought, well, I'll just make some, you know, kind of random beads with them. So I just kind of, you know, twisted it up just to make a colorful bead, because there's some colors in there, so I think I'm going to do that with those. And I twisted them so I wouldn't get just like weird blobs, I mean like the gray and stuff, but so this will just be some colorful beads I can make up. So let's get into this and see what we've got here. Let's put that right here. Not terrible. Hedwig's, you can kind of tell he's a Hedwig, I guess. I think it would have turned out better if I had had enough to do his feet. I was out of black, but not terrible. It's a little owl. Not too bad for my first attempt, just going blind. I haven't seen that anybody else has made any Harry Potter cane, and maybe it's because it's kind of hard, so I don't know. He's kind of cute. He definitely looks like a little owl there. He's kind of misshapen, but it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to get these just right, so. So not too bad. This might make a cute little thing to go with my Harry Potter one. Maybe make a little charm bracelet or something. terrible. I don't just love them, but they're not terrible. They're kind of cute in their own way. Let's see how this littlest one did. Trying to get far enough in that the facial features show up. Might be a while. I don't know if this one worked out or not. He's got no beak. Where's your beak? I think it's starting to show up. His beak has disappeared. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if I pulled an end too far off or what. They're starting to show up. I won't get very many with a beak on it. I'm almost to the end of this cane. You see, it's just now starting to show up on that. And it's at the end of the cane where it's not going to do much of anything. Well, this was an interesting lesson. Yeah. Alrighty then. Well, I'm just going to keep cutting these up and then put some holes in them for baking. Well, I went ahead and got all the rest of those cut up, and yeah, so I'm going to be drilling some holes in these and kind of, smoothing up the edges a little bit. So I got all of those, and then I have all of those. Yeah, so pretty happy with how that turned out. I'll be happy to try it again. I was almost out of black, so my black lines were really thin. I think I could probably do better. I'm going to try this one again a little later time, but I'm pretty happy with my first two attempts, basically. See if I can find my... So there's my little Harry Potter ones. Still got to clean those up a little bit, but I'm pretty happy with how those turned out. They're too cute. And so obviously then I'm going to have a head wig. I still have to bake the head wig ones. So those were kind of cute. Pretty happy with that. Not too bad for my first two tries. I thought Harry turned out really well. Head wig I'm still working on. I think the next time I make head wig, I've ordered some more clay, and this is what I did with the clay that I had on hand. But next time I think I'm just going to do like Harry's scarf all the way around, and so head wig will have a yellow and red stripe all the way around instead of the blue. I tried to do a stripe, you can just barely see it, but next time I'm just gonna forgo the blue. It's just what I had on hand. So anyway, it was a fun project, and it was fun to try it out for the first time. Pretty happy with the results, as far as being a beginner. I don't work with polymer clay very often, and I'm definitely a beginner at it, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with how those turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!